Hello students, welcome to Geography class of 8th standard. So far we have discussed about the natural vegetation of India. Objectives of the day are to discuss about the types of vegetation in India. In this video, we are going to discuss about tropical evergreen rainforests and tropical deciduous forest or monsoon types of forest, which is given on your page number 113 to 114 of your geography book. Students, in previous video, we understood the broad relationship between the amount of rainfall received and the vegetation type found in an area. Moving on, let's discuss the various natural vegetation types of India in detail. In India, we are having tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest, and at the last, mangrove forest. Let's discuss one by one. In this video, we are going to give focus on tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal parts. The lower half of the India towards the south of Tropic of Cancer lies in the tropical region, and the upper half of the India towards the north of Tropic of Cancer lies in the subtropical region. Although the temperate zone starts right from the Tropic of Cancer. Now, students, we also know about the fact that as we go away from the equator, both temperature and rainfall is decreases due to the variation in solar insolation. It is more or direct on equator as compared to poles. This variation of climate from warm Kerala to cold Kashmir is due to the large latitudinal extent of India. So it is important to understand this when we are talk about the variety of natural vegetation that exist in India. Alright, now that you have a brief overview of the latitudinal spread of India, based on that Indian forest can be divided into 5 types. The first one is tropical evergreen rainforest. Students, take out your book, open your page number 113. Let's start with the book reading. Tropical evergreen rainforests. These forests, grown in the areas which receives heavy rainfall of more than 200 centimeter yearly. Hot and humid climate is found in these forest areas. These forests are very dense. The evergreen rainforests are found mostly the areas where evaporation rate is very high due to the direct insolation received from sun, and moreover the water cycle process is very quick over there. High temperature, high rate of evaporation and heavy rainfall, these all three factors are very good for natural vegetation. Come back to the reading again. Many species of the trees found in these forests shed their leaves at different times of the year. As a result, these forests always appear green. That is why the tropical rainforests are also called the evergreen forest. Students, the trees are evergreen as there is no period of drought. They are mostly tall and hardwood. They occupy about 7% of the earth's surface. These trees are an important component of the forest biology and ecosystem. Come back to the reading again. Tall and evergreen trees are found in these forests. These forests are home of hardwood trees, rubber, bamboo, ironwood, mahogany, palm, cane, coconut, ebony, rosewood, sal, etc. are the main trees of these forests. These trees are chiefly found on the slopes of Western Ghats and the northeastern regions, the Tarai region of Himalayas, and in the Andaman group of islands. The thick ground cover of forest is characterized by climbers and epiphytes. Bamboo and ferns are also common. These trees do not shed their leaves at the same time, hence they are called evergreen. Evergreen forests have not been properly exploited due to the dense undergrowth and lack of transport facilities. Mahogany, ebony, and rosewood are the important trees of these forests. These trees are chiefly found on the slopes of Western Ghats and the northeastern regions, the Terai region of Himalayas, and in the Andaman group of islands. Let's recap the points which we have discussed just now. Tropical means tropical region, and evergreen means green leaves throughout the year. They are found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats hills of the northeastern region and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Usually occur in areas having an annual mean temperature of 22 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall of over 200 centimeter. Trees in these forests are dense, tall, and very green. Forest structure: ground level, shrubs, creepers plants, short trees of 20 to 30 meters, long trees of 60 meters and above. Leaves of the trees are large, long, and have a narrow ending, drip tip. These trees do not shed their leaves at once. Some of the trees include rosewood, mahogany, any, ebony, etc. Come back to the book reading again. Tropical deciduous forest or monsoon type of forest. These are also known as monsoon forests. The climate of these forest areas is hot with 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter of rainfall. These forests are less dense. The deciduous trees shed their leaves once in a year. They shed their leaves in a dry winters and dry summers. This type of forest is found in large part of India. These forests are mainly found on the western and northeastern slopes of the Deccan Plateau and on the lower slopes of the Himalayan mountains. These forests are found in the parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, and Karnataka. These forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks during the spring and early summer during March April, when sufficient moisture for leaves is not available. The subsoil water is not enough for the trees to retain their leaves. By April and May, the deciduous trees look almost bare. Forests of north temperate zone shed their leaves in autumn. These are most important economically as they yield valuable timber and several other forest products. They occupy a much larger area than the evergreen forest. The main species of deciduous forest are sal, teak, mahua, kher, palash, mango, neem, jackfruit, samuel, and myrobalan. So students, let's do the recap what we have discussed just now. Tropical deciduous forest. Moist means moisture. These forests are found in regions that have rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeter. They are found in the states of foothills of Himalayas, West Bengal, Mizoram, Manipur, Chota Nagpur Plateau, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, eastern coastal plains of Odisha, eastern foothills of Western Ghats, Kerala, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Trees shed their leaves during dry winters and dry summers due to the lack of moisture. These forests are a victim of human activities like irrigation and agriculture activities. Some common trees include teak, sal, shisham, hurra, mahua, amla, samul, kusum, bamboo, and sandalwood. So students, this is all about today's topic. We have discussed tropical evergreen forest and deciduous monsoon forest. Hope you understand well. You have to do the related back exercise. We will meet very soon with the next two types. Till then, be safe, be happy. Thank you.